It's ice cream making time, fall edition. Although they're just as tasty at any time of the year. And these are the ice creams we're gonna do today. Eggnog, I've perfected it. Pumpkin, perfected that. I've been working on pumpkin and eggnog for years. I finally got the right ingredients to make these pop and taste fantastic. Rum raisin, a traditional favorite. Mango, apple. I'm surprised there's not more apple ice cream out there. It's really tasty. And peach. And then we have an assortment of mix-ins that we're gonna put in towards the end. Like previous ice cream runs, I'll have all of these flavors separately and you can just kind of watch any of the ones you're most interested in. Otherwise, the video could be incredibly long. Today we're doing eggnog. Eggnog has been my kryptonite ice cream. I've been trying to perfect both an eggnog shake and eggnog ice cream for years. And I think I've got it figured out. So the first thing we're gonna do, 12 ounces of your favorite milk. 30 grams of your favorite protein powder. 5 grams of collagen peptide. This takes the place of all those pudding mixes. Put in 1/8 of a teaspoon of xanthan gum. And now for the secret ingredient. I've tried all different combinations, just haven't been able to get it right until I got this eggnog syrup. This is sugar-free, 0 calories. A serving is 2 tablespoons. Unlike all the other syrups I've done for all my other recipes, I'm going to use 2 tablespoons. This is the primary flavor. Shake is pretty much the same thing as the ice cream, except for it's not frozen. It's just so easy to get this. And relatively inexpensive. You can get it on sale for about $6, $7. I'll post all the ingredients down below. Like all my ice creams, I'll post a vegan option, a lactose option. You just use lactose-free milk as opposed to 2% regular milk. Wow, that looks pretty good. So we'll get the frother out and let it finish its job. Just get all those powders. Well, the frother really does froth. All the other creamy ice creams we made today, we'll put the top on this, let it settle out, put it in the freezer with its friends for 24 hours, whip it up in the deluxe creamy, and see how it tastes. I've run the container under hot water for about 60 seconds to make sure it doesn't ice up. You want to make sure it's set in the bottom. Put the top on, into the creamy, full, and I'm going to put it on light ice cream and hit the button. Take it out of the machine, take the top off and look at it. Oh, it's creamy. It almost looks like frosting. Now you could run it a second time, but my experience is you put it the second time in and it becomes more of a soft serve and less of an ice cream. That's a nice solid ice cream. That's what I'm looking for. And yet it's not icy on the sides. Let's give it a little bit of a taste test. It's taken a long time to perfect this, but I think I've done it. This sugar-free syrup is the key to this recipe, and if for some reason you don't think you have enough, you can just give it a little bit of a splash. There's already 2 tablespoons in there. Now we'll just mix it up and serve. Let's make it a nice big scoop. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of ice cream recipes, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, home repairs, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what tasty treat you're gonna see.